So we're going to write 0.72 as a fraction. That's like saying 0.72 over 1, but I'm going to write it as 72 over 100, and I can cancel down. The nice thing to remember, of course, is that if you actually type 0.72 into your calculator and press equals, it will give you a fraction in its simplest form. So this is going to be an easy one for me to check on my calculator. So 36 out of 50, which is 18 over 25, which I think is the answer, but I'm going to check. So I'm going to type 0.72 into my calculator and just check that I'm right, and there it is, 18 over 25, lovely. Right, 3/4 is a percentage. Well, I'm sure some of you know that as that's just 75%, but the way to prove it is 3 divided by 4 times by 100, that's the percentage, and that gives me 75%. Okay, so you can check that for yourself if you wanted to. There we have it. Right, now it says work out 65% of 720. Now 65 per means divide, 65 per, cent means 100, of means times 720. If I type that into my calculator, I'm going to get the right answer. So 65 per 100% of 720 equals 468, and that's the right answer. Okay, and let's move it now down to part D, where we've got to put some different kinds of numbers in the smallest first. So we'll start with the smallest first number. So it's very hard to compare decimals, fractions, and percentages. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them all into decimals. So 9 divided by 20 means 0.45, and I'm going to write that underneath. It's easier to compare now. 40.5% means 0.0405, isn't it? 4 divided by 9 means 0.44444 and forever and ever. Okay, and 0.427 means 0.427. So which is the smallest number? Well, it looks to me like 40.5%. So I'm going to start off with that one, that's the smallest. And then I'm going to move up to the next one, which I think is 0.427. You see I'm underlining as I go, so I know which ones I've already looked at. The next one I think is 0.43. And then it's 4/9, and then it's 9/20, and I think that's the largest number, nearly half. Alright, so let's have a quick look at the exams report. Do pause if you need to. And correct, and yes, we got that all right.